Every single year, online shoppers bring excitement as their preferences evolve mysteriously. It's actually like a fun puzzle. But here's the exciting part. We can actually predict what shoppers will be into this January by diving into consumer trend reports, by using market research tools that I will be showing you. And of course, besides doing great research, you need to keep an eye on the economy's pulse. So most holidays by now are over, and you might be feeling a bit stuck on what to sell in your store. Well, you are in luck. In previous years, we noticed increasing trends in the month of January. Trends that started their rise in January and had great peaks throughout the upcoming months. It's no surprise that those eBay sellers who had these products ahead of time and began selling them on time benefited from this increase. So, like I have mentioned, I've been studying consumers using many different tools that I will be showing you throughout the video, and those include e-commerce market research software, competitor analysis tools, product category and keyword analysis tools, and we will get into all of that, but let's first introduce the tool that is simple to read and easy to use, a simple tool for predicting what's to come, and that is Google Trends. Google Trends allows you, by filtering, to see the past 5 years to understand what this year's shopper wants to buy on eBay. And we will get into that shortly. Not only do I plan on showing you how to use all of the mentioned tools, but today I plan to summarize and get into detail of every single thing I've learned from these reports over the past 2 months. I will provide practical examples for wholesale as well as dropshipping of categories to sell and products to sell that are going to be peaking in January and selling throughout the upcoming months. Also, make sure you stay until the end, and I will show you a way to stay ahead of the top trending products that update hourly. Yes, new trending products every single hour. Now, I cannot predict the unpredictable, but what I can say is understanding this core information is really going to influence your decision in 2024. Knowing what to use in order to make your search for products improve day by day, and giving you information that helps you to understand your customers. So I did do all of this research beforehand so that I can prepare to show you the best eBay categories to have in your store during January 2024. Besides that, we're gonna go step by step of the process, but first a sneak peek into the categories that we have prepared, and those are stuffed teddy bear, lingerie, chocolate, jewelry, and flowers. Also, a fun little tip, just because it is January does not mean people are not buying holiday decor and gift wrap. You should be thinking ahead and offering discounts in your store on holiday items. This way you get rid of old items and you do your customers a favor so they can get everything they need for next year at a fraction of a cost. Win-win situation. Another win-win situation while we're at it. Listen, I show you great tools and ways to incorporate them into your business, and you like this video and hit the subscribe button. Now back to the list, which is made up of categories that will be peaking throughout the month of January. I did introduce you to the Google Trends at the beginning, but now let's get a little bit more technical. So the Google Trends graph collects all the data of the web searches and Google shopping to create an interest chart. This is pretty accurate on reporting, and it can help you find year-to-year trends. And this is the reason I filter out the past 5 years, and I select worldwide. Now, this will confirm that these niches are trending. And for this example, we are looking at the month of January in the past 5 years. For each category, we will jump into the Google Trends of the past 5 years or last 5 years and point out the peaks and why it is good to sell these products in January. Okay, so as you can see here, for each of the categories, we do have a slight rise in the month of January, and that will be making sales in the month of February. So it's rising in January and coming to its peak in February, and this is why we have selected these particular products to show you throughout this video. Now again, January can be a tough month But we still have preparations to make for the upcoming months. So now that we know what these categories that will be peaking in the month of January are, let's narrow our research to particular products that we can sell in our store that are under these categories. Now, in order to narrow down the research, we will be using the Zeek Analytics product research and look at the last 30-day sales. For those of you who are new, let me introduce you. Zeek is an e-commerce market research software. It offers several free features from competitor analysis to product category and keyword analysis. It will bring you real-life data from eBay and AliExpress, and today, it is the best way to analyze recent trends. So now that you are a bit familiar with the program, I'm going to use the tools Zeek provides to validate the last 30 sales and show you why I picked those categories. And by the way, you can try Zeek for $1. For this, we will dive deeper into the best wholesale on eBay categories. Watch until the end because I'm actually going to demonstrate how you can source these items from Alibaba. Now, let's go over all of the other stats for each category we have selected for the wholesale products. Now, again, we did see the Google Trends chart, and now we jump into Zeek to see the revenue in the last 30 days for each category. As you can see, stuffed teddy bear has $2,936 in sales earnings, which isn't a lot now. But this number will go up once we reach the end of January and into February. And you can see that the sell-through is 191%. Now, moving on to lingerie. This has $24,160 in sales earnings, and the sell-through rate is 2,888%. But remember, these products haven't reached their peaks just yet. This is just in the last month, and these numbers will change. It's important for me to show you the steps that you need to take in order to find good products beforehand. Let's now go over an example of how you can find products using the Zeek item finder and sourcing from Alibaba. So the first thing you need to do here is change our quick settings. And this is important every time you do a search. And you go ahead and select the supplier Alibaba, and then we search for the items. Let's start off with stuffed teddy bear. As you can see here, everything is prepared. You can scroll down and here in the product list, search for an item that has good sales, less competition, and most of all, look for a good price that will bring us good profit. So if we go ahead and select the first one here, you can see it's also being sold by a drop shipper. You can click on the link and it will take you automatically to eBay, where you can see that this teddy bear is being sold for $10.99 each. Now, go back to Zeek. We will go ahead and click on the box with the Alibaba logo on it. And then we can select the item from a list. Here you can see that the price of this particular teddy bear that we found on Alibaba is $5 if you were to buy 500 to $99, and it's $3 if you were to purchase 3,000 pieces or more. Now, let's do the same for lingerie. First, make sure your quick settings in Zeek are ready to go. Then you search for your product. Now, once you get your results, you're going to go ahead and scroll down to the products and select the item that you would like to sell. So let's go ahead and select the second one for this example. And we're going to first open it up on eBay. Here you can see on eBay, it's selling for $4.86. And then when you go over to Alibaba, you can actually purchase this item for $2.10 if you were to purchase 10 to 99 pieces. So now we have a better idea of what the consumer is going to look like in 2024. Now let's start out with what are going to be the popular categories drop shipping wise, and then we can go ahead and hone in on individual product types that I can share with you based on research and data from Zeek Analytics. So for this here, based on our research, we are predicting that the following products, jewelry, chocolate, and flowers, are going to be peaking in January of 2024. So let's go a bit deeper as to why this is the prediction for the upcoming month. So again, based on the categories, we jump into the Google Trends in the past 5 years and we look at the peaks for each category. In January, first for jewelry. Now you can see that it slowly starts to peak in January and it makes its sales in February. Then we have this same thing for chocolate. You can see that it starts to peak in January and makes the most sales in February. And of course, flowers. Same thing. Peak in January and it makes its sales in February. Now, let's grab that info from Zeek. First, jumping into Zeek for our example, using jewelry and sourcing from AliExpress. You're going to have to go ahead and change your quick settings, and then you're going to scroll to the products, and we're going to go ahead and select this rope chain necklace, and it's selling on eBay for $9.99. Then you're going to go back to Zeek, select the box with the AliExpress logo on it, and find the same or similar product on AliExpress. And just by looking through a few of these, we found this one, and it looks to be the same. And when you select the product on eBay and on AliExpress, you can see that the price on AliExpress for the same product, silver, same length, width, you can see that it's selling on AliExpress for $5.91. And of course, you can use coupons to make the price lower. Moving on to chocolate. For this, we are sourcing from Walmart. Again, changes in your quick settings are very important each time you source a product. And here we found this item selling on eBay for $4.99. And then we jump over to walmart.com and we see the same item selling for $2.62. And last but not least, we have flowers. Now, this is a cool item. We found this box with a preserved rose and a necklace. And it's selling on eBay for $19.99. And we sourced this product from Amazon.com. And we found the product being sold for $9.99. And that is how sourcing products using these quick and amazing tools is like. Super simple and easy, right? Feel free to comment down below any products you have found to be great sellers during the month of January. And of course, if you have any questions, leave them down below. Now, January is wintertime, but it's actually after all of the holidays, so it can be kind of hard to navigate what products are selling. But based on the stats, you can still make great money and squeeze a bit more out of it than you initially thought. So now let's go over some of the best winter products to sell in January. So, best winter products to sell in January are winter clothes, such as boots, hats, and gloves. And of course, a popular one is snowboard and ski equipment. So let's take a look at those stats in Zeek. Now, for these numbers, when looking at them, you can see that they are a bit low. Again, this is because the winter season is slowly coming to an end, yet there are still people out here looking for great deals or some last minute shopping. So keeping that in mind, the first product we searched for is boots. And you can see that the sales earnings for boots are a little bit over 180K in the last 30 days. Second is hats, and the sales earnings are a little bit over $39,000. And third, we have gloves, and the sales earnings are $64,000 in the last 30 days. And now we get into the ski and snowboarding equipment, and those are showing lower numbers as to be expected, but they are still doing well with skiing. We have sales earnings of over $22,000, and snowboarding is giving us a little bit over $21,000, which are still great numbers considering the month we are in. So at the beginning of the video, I did mention I'll show you a way to stay ahead of the top trending products that update hourly, and the time has come. Finding trending products every day is super important and can be made easy. Let me show you. So here is the Market Insights tool. This gives us trending products, as you can see here, a nice list. And then we have trending niches, of course, also a great list, and trending dropshippers or sellers, another great list. And you can always customize it to your situation using the seller settings. Now, besides that, we have this amazing calendar that gets updated at midnight every night. Here you can look forward to holidays and world events that will be happening, allowing you to prepare for products that will be selling, and it actually gives you some product ideas at the bottom once you click on a certain holiday. So start the year off right. Use tools such as the Google Trends graph and of course Zeek, which is offering a $1 trial to boost your sales and start making profit right away. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and use the guides that we provide in order to keep you on the right track of selling.